Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term primitivism. Introduction. Primitivism and progress have shaped the way societies perceive their past, present and future. The Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood, a group of English artists formed in 1848, can be seen as an embodiment of cultural primitivism in the realm of art. They sought to reject the prevailing academic style of painting and return to the truthfulness and simplicity they associated with Italian art before the time of Raphael and the High Italian Renaissance. This movement was later embraced by a literary movement that included poets and writers such as D.G. Rossetti, Christina Rossetti, William Morrison, and Algernon Swinburne. Cultural primitivism, nature over artifice. Cultural primitivism emphasizes a preference for the natural aspects of human culture and values over the artificial. It is exemplified by the admiration of innate instincts and passions over rationality and prudential forethought in ethics. This sentiment is reflected in the romantic ideal of the noble savage, a concept that considers primitive people to be naturally intelligent, moral, and dignified. In American thought and literature, cultural primitivism played a significant role, with the American Indian being associated with the noble savage. The American pioneer was also portrayed as returning to a natural life of freedom and simplicity by escaping the corruptions of European civilization. Chronological primitivism, a golden past. Chronological primitivism, on the other hand, posits the humanity's ideal way of life existed in the distant past, marked by simplicity, freedom, and natural living. It views history as a gradual decline from the idyllic state into a complex and restrictive civilization. The ideal era may be situated in the prehistoric, classical, or medieval past. Not all cultural primitivists are chronological primitivists, but the two concepts can intersect. The belief in the lost golden past can be seen in various cultural narratives and myths, such as the Garden of Eden, where the humanity lived in harmony with nature. The idea of progress. Contrasting with primitivism, the idea of progress emerged in the 17th century and reached its peak during the 19th century. It advocates that human history represents a continuous improvement in various aspects of life, including morality, through the development of art, science, technology, and rationality. The belief in progress led to Enlightenment's optimism about the future and the possibility of achieving a utopian society. This optimistic view of progress persisted into the modern era, with some thinkers envisioning a future state of social, moral, and rational perfection. However, critiques of progress have emerged, questioning the costs of modern civilization and the impact of industrialization on the environment and human well-being. Primitivism in literature and philosophy. Primitivism's influence extended beyond art and into literature and philosophy. Authors like D.H. Lawrence celebrated the instinctual life and idealized a vanished state of human wholeness, critiquing the disintegrative effects of modern science and technology. In philosophy, Friedrich Nietzsche's genealogy of morals delves into aspects of cultural primitivism by highlighting the tension between human instincts and societal repressions. Sigmund Freud's Civilization and its Discontents also explores that conflict between civilization's demands and human instincts. Conclusion. Primitivism and progress have been enduring themes in human history, shaping artistic, literary, and philosophical movements. The Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood's cultural primitivism sought a return to natural simplicity in art, while the broader concept of primitivism, both cultural and chronological, has persisted throughout human culture. On the other hand, the idea of progress has driven societies to strive for continuous improvement and advancement. Through the ages, individuals have expressed a longing to escape the complexities and anxieties of modern civilization, seeking a return to a lost natural life. These contrasting ideals continue to shape human perspectives, influencing how we view our past, present, and future. So this was the discussion on the term primitivism. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.